Review Bissell Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Pros: can remove stains and tough spots on rugs, couches, carpeted floors, and stairs, etc. Comes with a year limited warranty. Easy to use and store, comes with a hose and cord housing compartment. Cons: the hose is a bit short. It is loud when operated. While it would remove pet hair from your bed, it can be a hassle to clean the machine because some hair can get stuck in it. This compact portable carpet and upholstery vacuum is only available in dull green color. It comes with a powerful suction that helps tackle stains and spots on upholstery and carpet. It can also remove dust on the floor and inside vehicles. One thing we do love about this vacuum is that the manufacturers donate $10 to its pet foundation, Bissell Pet Foundation, every time someone purchases this product. So, if you are feeling generous and want to help out abandoned pets while also getting a capable vacuum cleaner for your home furniture, you can't go wrong with this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.